Palm oil dripping, hands grip tight, a moonlit groove. Fingers painting on my skin, the tension moves. Pressure in the rhythm, you a sculptor, I'm clay. Molding me electric, taking all my stress away. Slow strokes, I'm melting, your touch divine. Tracing every curve.